Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For this video, we're going to talk about BNB Tiger, okay? But before anything else, make sure to subscribe to our channel, The Crypto Hasi, guys. I have 1.4 million subscribers right now, guys. But just a reminder, crypto comes with risks. Okay, so always invest only what you can afford to lose on platforms like this. So subscribe to my channel because we review blockchain games, meme coins, tokens, and any trading platforms, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. Okay, so this is BNB Tiger. This is their official website, guys. Okay, so BNB Tiger is said to be the king of beasts. That's its main story. They are the symbol of victory and strength. So powerful and tough. And our BNB Tiger community is the same. Born of trials and tribulations. The BNB Tiger community is the strongest community you'll find. Okay, so they have a 7% tax here, and then a 7% sell tax, and 100% goes to the community, guys. Okay, this is their contract address, just copy it. And then if we look at their tokenomics here, guys, so it has a total supply of 1 billion, and their liquidity is 100% locked. So community owned is also 100%. And then here is the contract address. Buy tax and sell tax are also shown here. So liquidity pool is 1%. Token buyback is 2%. And marketing is 2% as well. Wildlife is 2%. Our sell tax is the same, right? They're almost the same, guys. So here's our token distribution. So it's a completely fair launch with no team allocation. So community holdings are 100%. So no team tokens, no pre-sale, no IDO, and it's a 100% fair launch, guys. So it's a 100% community, right? Solid, right? Okay, so now let's go to their gallery. There. So meet the tiger. They call it our fierce community. Okay, so this is the gallery, guys, about our BNB Tiger, our fierce community there, and then they also have NFTs here. These are their NFTs, the BNB Tiger NFTs. So that's unique artwork. So exclusive benefits, community access. It's also here in the gallery. You can see it here, guys. So it's just the same. So these are the NFTs, right? So fierce tiger, strong tiger, victory tiger, power tiger, and leader tiger, guys. So those are their NFTs. So if you want to start minting, just click that. So the price is 0.1 BNB. So only invest what you can afford to lose on platforms like this, guys. This is the actual price in BNB. There, so you can see it there. Okay. So NFT again. So let's check it. So view collection. Okay. Here are all the collections. There's rare. From uncommon, epic, legendary, rare, victory, tiger, common, and rare, guys. Okay, of course, the most expensive one is the legendary. This one, the price is 0.5 BNB. Okay, this one, what is this? These are randomized, guys. Mystery. So what you get for 0.1 BNB is random. But if you really want the legendary, you can mint a legendary now for the price of 0.5 BNB, guys. Okay, so NFT swap. So it's already here. 1 BNB equals 1 million BNB Tiger. So it's lightning fast, secure trading, and with low fees as well. So trade BNB Tiger tokens with zero slippage, minimal fees, and maximum security. Built on Binance Smart Chain for lightning fast transactions. Wow. And then powered by AI, and of course art. By the way, this is their white paper, guys. So this is their technical white paper. Comprehensive technical documentation, tokenomics analysis, and strategic roadmap for the future of meme cryptocurrency on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, that's their white paper. Let's go back to BNB Tiger to the homepage. Okay, so in their roadmap, we can see here, oh, so this is about BNB Tiger. So, King of Beasts, symbol of victory and strength, there you go. As for born from trials, it's born out of trials and tribulation, and that's BNB Tiger. Pushing towards success, this community is supportive of one another, always pushing each other towards success. So, tokenomics, fair, transparent, and community focused. We already discussed that earlier. And then, here's our roadmap for BNB Tiger. We set goals and conquer them. From Q3 2025 up to Q1 2026, that's the expansion. And then in Q3, NB and utility. Okay, that's our very last point. BNB Tiger Borrow NFT Marketplace. So that's coming soon. Okay, so that's their complete roadmap, bosses. By the way, this is their Telegram. So they have 14,000 members, 5.26 currently online. And then here's their Twitter. So BNB Tiger bosses. Okay, let's go ahead and follow them as well. So BNB Tiger Burn countdown begins. The jungle is roaring louder than ever. The official burnout countdown has begun. So I think that's about it for this BNB. Tiger meme coin bosses, if you want to get into this, always make sure to do your own research, because this review is for entertainment purposes only. So thank you very much, bosses. Bye bye.